More dynamic than ever, featuring a wealth of digital innovations and, for the first time ever, available fully electric, this is the new BMW 5 Series. In the form of the all-electric BMW i5, the latest edition of the celebrated BMW 5 Series takes the lead on the road to sustainable premium mobility. The 8th generation of the BMW 5 Series continues to stand for advanced technology combined with sporty, elegant design, and the performance and comfort only a BMW can deliver. The global market launch of the new BMW 5 Series will begin in October 2023. The new generation will be offered worldwide with an all-electric drivetrain, while the flexible architecture also accommodates highly efficient internal combustion engines with 48-volt mild hybrid technology and, coming to the US in 2024, plug-in hybrid system. The success story of the BMW 5 Series dates back to 1972, when the first generation of the sporty and elegant four-door sedan was presented. Since then, the worldwide popularity of the BMW 5 Series has steadily increased. With its unmistakable combination of dynamic performance and high level of long-distance comfort, it became the epitome of the business sedan. By the spring of 2023, more than 10 million BMW 5 Series had been produced. Like all previous generations, the new BMW 5 Series is manufactured at Plant Dingolfing, BMW's largest European plant, which is celebrating its 50th anniversary. In 1973, the first vehicle manufactured at this location was a first-generation E12 5 Series. Today, the BMW Group plant in Dingolfing is not only the lead plant for BMW's luxury class vehicles, but also the location of the company's eDrive Production Competence Center, which produces both the electric motors and the high-voltage batteries for the BMW i5 on site. The exterior design of the new generation reinterprets the sporty elegance of a BMW 5 Series in the brand's current design language. With its distinctive appearance, the new BMW 5 Series is right at the center of the brand's portfolio of four-door models, more present and elegant than the 3 Series, more dynamic and sporty than the 7 Series. The heightened presence of the new BMW 5 Series is underscored by the athletic proportions and the larger exterior dimensions compared to the previous generation. The new model has grown in length by 3.4 inches to 199.2, in width by 1.3 inches to 74.8, and in height by 1.4 inches to 59.6. The wheelbase has been increased by 0.8 inches to 117.9 and improved seating comfort. Especially in the rear, the front view of the new BMW 5 Series sedan is characterized by a modern interpretation of the brand's signature twin headlights and BMW kidney grille. The LED headlights show the traditional four-lamp face in a modern, minimalist form. Two nearly vertical LED elements positioned towards the outside function as daytime running lights and turn signals. The BMW kidney grille, stylistically inspired by the so-called shark nose of early 5 Series generations and projecting far forward, functions as the visual center at the front. All the lines of the front apron and the long hood, which connects directly to the kidney grille frame, run towards the front fascia. With its wide surround and optional illuminated contour line, the BMW kidney grille gives the front view a distinctively sporty appeal. The clear and simplified design language is also expressed in the side view of the new BMW 5 Series. Its dynamically elongated proportions, long hood, and almost upright BMW kidney grille are clearly visible from this perspective. The sporty character of the three-box design is also expressed in the steeply sloping A-pillar, the gently flowing roofline towards the rear, and the gradually sloping trunk line. The side section has a pronounced athletic look thanks to a high shoulder line, powerfully modeled surfaces, and two distinct character lines. Black side skirts provide a graphic contrast to the rest of the bodywork, visually slimming the vehicle in profile. The door handles are flush with the surrounding surfaces. The Hofmeister kink is elegantly highlighted by a graphic element with the number 5 embossed on the side window surround. At the transition to the rear, the shoulder and roof lines flow harmoniously into the contours of the lights. Where horizontal lines emphasize the width and solid stature of the rear view, the flat rear lights interpret the brand's hallmark L-shaped lights with modern appeal. Inside, 4 narrow LED strips aligned horizontally handle lighting functions. They are divided by an L-shaped chrome strip. The range of exterior paint colors includes one solid finish. 9 metallic finishes, and 3 BMW individual paint finishes including 2 expressive frozen paint finishes. Individual design features give the BMW i5 M60 xDrive a striking look, which emphasize its dynamic performance. A front apron with black surfaces at its center and large air intakes, a grille featuring horizontal slats and M logo, side skirts and exterior mirror caps finished in high-gloss black, 19-inch M light alloy wheels and a rear apron with a pronounced diffuser insert signal, the M Performance model's sporty character. The M Sport package is optionally available for all other model variants, and highlights 5 Series athleticism. It also includes M-specific design features, most notably the large air intakes at the front, flared side skirts and window trim in high-gloss black and a rear apron with diffuser insert, as well as 19-inch M light alloy wheels. The available M Sport Professional package, optional on all 5 Series models, adds the illuminated BMW kidney grille framed in high-gloss black, M Shadowline headlights, a discreet rear spoiler, and extended Shadowline trim. Specifying the M Sport Professional package also allows the option of red calipers for the M Sport brakes. The new BMW 5 Series offers ideal conditions for enjoying BMW driving pleasure in everyday traffic and a high level of comfort on long-distance journeys. Generous space, modern functionality, a high level of acoustic comfort as well as high-quality materials, fine workmanship, and advanced digital services characterize the ambience in the interior. The clear and modern design of the interior. Sporty flair and innovative equipment features, designed to optimize traveling comfort, underline the vehicle's character as a dynamic business sedan for the digital age. The fully digital BMW curved display, which reinterprets the brand's typical orientation towards the driver, represents the heart of the interior redesign. Other innovations include the BMW interaction bar with ambient lighting in the instrument panel and door area, standard on i5 models, optional on 530i and 530i xDrive, My modes for a customizable driving and interior experience, and the new gear selector switch on the center console control panel. With the significantly expanded level of standard equipment compared to the predecessor model and a new structure in the range of options. Comfort and individuality are raised to a higher level, with its frameless glass surface slightly inclined towards the driver. The BMW curved display consists of a 12.3-inch information display behind the steering wheel and a 14.9-inch control display, which merge into a single fully digital and high-resolution unit. The BMW curved display is the central component of the multi-sensory BMW iDrive experience, which in its latest generation based on BMW operating system 8.5 also offers a new graphic display with a clear start screen and quick select access for simple and intuitive touch operation. The control system is designed to be operated primarily by means of the touchscreen and natural language, but also includes steering wheel buttons and the BMW iDrive controller on the center console. The BMW head-up display and BMW natural interaction for controlling functions using gestures are available as optional equipment. The advances in digitalization that accompany the development of the BMW iDrive make it possible to significantly reduce the number of buttons, knobs and controls used in the cockpit. They continue to be used where they are the ideal solution for fast and intuitive operation. The new BMW operating system 8.5 start screen permanently shows the map view of the navigation system or other individually configurable displays. On the same level, vertically arranged widgets are available on the driver's side of the BMW control display. Users can switch between the widgets by swiping vertically. To display different content, horizontal swiping is also possible within some widgets. For example, in the My Vehicle area, the corresponding functions can be called up directly with Quick Select without switching to a submenu. Once the settings have been made, it is sufficient to tap the home symbol at the bottom of the display to return to the start screen. In addition to the home symbol, there are now also the symbols for direct access to the climate control menu, the All Apps menu, navigation as well as media, communication, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. In addition, BMW operating system 8.5 in the new BMW 5 Series offers a wider range of digital content for information and entertainment, faster update cycles for functions, improved information on charging points for electric vehicles and optimized access to many specific online services. A broad range of video streaming is possible on the control display, as is an innovative form of in-car gaming presented for the first time in the new BMW 5 Series with the Air Console platform. In a cooperation with the gaming platform Air Console, BMW presents a new and unique form of in-car gaming in the new BMW 5 Series. driver and passengers can play casual games while the vehicle is stationary. For example, to occupy waiting times while charging the high-voltage battery of the BMW i5, setting up the gaming experience with Air Console is seamless. Players only need their smartphone, which acts as a controller, and the BMW curved display. After launching the Air Console app in the vehicle, the connection between the smartphone and the vehicle can be established by scanning a QR code on the curved display. The players can then start playing right away. Air Console technology enables instant delivery of games over the air and players can control them via their smartphones. Thanks to this unique configuration, several players can take part in the in-car gaming fun at the same time. Even passengers in the rear. It is possible to play solo or with all passengers in the vehicle, either together or in competition mode. So-called casual games are offered, which are characterized by being easily accessible and providing intuitive gameplay control. The selection available for the market launch of the new BMW 5 Series includes racing, sports, and quiz games, as well as simulation, strategy, jump and run, and puzzle games. The 20 or so titles that can be played right from the start include Go Kart Go, Golazzo, Music Guess, and Overcooked. The M Sport package for the new BMW 5 Series includes exclusive seat surfaces in Veganza/Alcantara finish with unique perforation in the shoulder area and translucent accents in red and blue. M pedals, an M driver's footrest, and M-specific displays on the information display add to the sporty environment. The standard equipment of the new BMW 5 Series sedan includes automatic air conditioning with an extended range of features and advanced control logic. In the instrument panel area, seam vents are used instead of conventional air vents and are positioned at the height of the BMW interaction bar. The direction of the air coming out of the vents can be varied by means of adjusting control levers. In addition, air conditioning and ventilation are controlled via the touch function on the control display. A panoramic skylounge roof can be ordered in place of the standard slit-in tilt moonroof for the first time in any BMW 5 Series sedan. It is designed as a fixed structural module and connects almost the entire roof surface, extending uninterrupted from just behind the windscreen to almost the rear window. With a length of 33 inches and a width of 32 inches, the viewing area is almost 90% larger than that of the standard tilt-and-slide moonroof. This creates a generously light-flooded atmosphere in the interior. If required, an interior sunblind can provide shading of the interior. A flexibly designed drive architecture that was open to different technologies from the outset enables the new BMW 5 Series sedan to be offered for the first time both as an all-electric model and with highly efficient internal combustion engines. This global strategy ensures that customers around the world are offered a choice of models tailored to their individual needs, as well as to the infrastructure conditions and legal framework of their region. The portfolio of available games is being continuously expanded. The BMW interaction bar combines modern functionality and fascinating design. It was first presented in the new BMW 7 Series and is now standard in the BMW i5 models and available as an option in the new BMW 530i and 530i xDrive. The striking backlit functional unit with crystalline surface structure extends below the trim strip across the entire width of the instrument panel for into the door panels and includes touch-sensitive control panels for controlling ventilation and air conditioning and for activating the hazard warning lights. The BMW interaction bar's lighting design follows the colors of the selected My modes. Or can be customized. The seats in the new BMW 5 Series sedan have been redesigned for a noticeable increase in comfort and optimal adjustment. Sport seats are standard equipment. Multi-contour seats are standard on i5 M60 xDrive and optional on other models. The backrests of the outer rear seats extend far into the door areas, especially in the shoulder area, increasing seating comfort in back. The flowing transition between the instrument panel at the front and the backrests in the rear to the door panels harmoniously encloses the entire passenger compartment. The folding rear seat backrest is split 40 hours 20 minutes and 40 seconds. The three elements can be folded down individually or together to create additional space for long pieces of cargo. The luggage compartment of the new BMW i5 offers 17.3 cubic feet of storage, while the 530i and 530i xDrive each provide 18.4 cubic feet. The new BMW 5 Series may be fitted with a fully leather-free interior. Leather-like, perforated Veganza is used on the seats as well as the dashboard and door panels and, for the first time, the steering wheel. Extended merino leather upholstery in several bicolor variants remains an option. The electric motors developed by BMW are characterized by impressively high power density and efficiency. They work according to the principle of a current-excited synchronous machine. This makes it possible to completely dispense with the critical raw materials from the rare earth metal sector required for magnetic components when manufacturing the rotor. At market launch, the all-electric BMW i5 will be available in two model variants. The BMW i5 M60 xDrive performance model is positioned at the top of the 5 Series range. Like the BMW i5 eDrive 40, it is equipped with extensively enhanced 5th generation BMW eDrive technology, the electric motor of the BMW i5 eDrive 40, located at the rear axle. Generates a maximum power output of 335 horsepower and maximum torque of 295 lb-ft, or 317 lb-ft when the Sport Boost or launch control function is activated. The sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour requires only 5.7 seconds. The maximum speed of the BMW i5 eDrive 40 is electronically limited to 120 miles per hour. BMW i5 M60 xDrive, all-electric driving pleasure at the top of the model range. The BMW i5 M60 xDrive sits at the top of the 5 Series range and combines a 590 horsepower electric drivetrain with hallmark M performance characteristics and specific design features, two highly integrated drive units on the front and rear axles, in which the electric motor, power electronics, and transmission are compactly combined in a common housing. Form an electric all-wheel drive system that enables the BMW i5 M60 xDrive to deliver captivating dynamic performance. The electric motor acting on the rear wheels generates a maximum power output of 335 horsepower, while the motor at the front axle produces 257 horsepower. The total system torque generated by both motors is 549 lb-ft, or 605 lb-ft when M Sport Boost or the M launch control function is activated. This power enables the new BMW i5 M60 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an explosive 3.7 seconds, and the power is delivered continuously as speeds increase. The maximum speed of the BMW i5 M60 xDrive is electronically limited 143 miles per hour when equipped with performance tires, 130 miles per hour with all-season tires. In order to activate full drive power on demand, the BMW i5 M60 xDrive and i5 eDrive 40, when equipped with the optional M Sport package, feature a shift paddle marked boost near the left steering wheel spoke. If the paddle is pulled for more than 0.8 seconds, a Sport Boost indicator appears on the information display. It indicates that a high level of power is being requested by the accelerator pedal, which then triggers maximum acceleration. At the same time, the iconic Sounds Electric sound changes to Sport. In conjunction with the M Sport Package Pro, the launch control function standard on the i5 M60 xDrive is also available for the i5 eDrive 40. Extremely dynamic acceleration from standstill is enabled via precise coordination of the drive and traction control systems. Subscribe, like, don't forget the bell.